Hi everyone, it's Lana at Botanica Bee. Welcome back to our series on tray design. Today's tray is this adorable patriotic display. We'll show you step by step how we assembled this in the store so that you can do this at your house. I'm going to start today's design with this jute runner. It's really pretty. It's got a lot of texture and a lot of color in it, and I really like it. And we're just gonna put that down as our base to kind of anchor it. You can anchor your tray with anything, or maybe you prefer not to anchor it and the tray be enough. But I have this wood surface today, and the tray I'm using is this wooden dough bowl. We've used this before in designs. It's great, it's like a hand-carved look, and it's finished on all sides, which is really nice. And it's very durable and thick. So we'll just place that right in the middle. And having this runner here will give it some contrast between the wood of the table and the dark wood of this dough bowl. The next thing we're gonna do is add a little 4th of July. We're gonna use a bunting. Now, I know that you think these should be hung on the porch, and they are so cute on the porch. I actually ordered some for me to hang on my porch. So they're definitely made for that. But there's lots of ways you can use these, and I'm just gonna kind of fold this over, lay it out here, and make a little base for our tray. There. Kind of finesse it around just a little bit, just to get it just the way we want, just about halfway through the bowl. I'm actually going to pull this around just a little more. There we go. Now, your bunting can hang off the edge of the table, or it can just stay on the table, whatever you think looks cute. I love it when things drape a little bit, so I think it gives a little extra drama and fun. So I kind of enjoy that. Okay. Next, we're going to add a little crock. This little crock is really cute. It has little dandelions on it. It's just, I don't know, probably about 8 inches tall. And we're just gonna put it over here on the edge. So I'm gonna put it on this edge. Designing backwards is always a learning curve to me. And this was blue and cream. It'll kind of go with this blue and cream. And we're always talking about pulling color through the design so the design looks cohesive. And so this will help a lot with that. To bring the blue over and kind of keep with our pottery theme, we have this beautiful hand-thrown bowl by Rowe Pottery. I love this. Maybe you have a favorite pottery piece in the red, white, and blue or cream theme, and that would work, or any sort of little vessel that you like at home. I've even been known to use one of my serving bowls for a decor piece once in a while, so I like those. Next, we're gonna add some faux foliage, and this is a little eucalyptus bush. It's really cute there. It's got a little red to bring that red, white, and blue in. And silk flowers, they get kind of a bad rap sometimes. I love fresh flowers. I love fresh flowers, but these get a lot of mileage. And the way they're made today are not our grandma's silk flowers. Sorry, Grandma. But they were pretty for the time, but our technology has come a long way. So they have real touch, they have all kinds of great advantages. This is made out of a harder plastic, but even my silk ones, I just keep them clean and dust-free because I know that can be a problem for our family members with allergies. I just keep them dust-free by filling a sink full of warm water and a little gentle soap, and I just whoosh them in there and then clean them in, rinse them off real fast, and then I just lay them out in a towel in my bathtub and let them dry for the afternoon, and then stick them back, and it works really well. So every week when I go in to clean my bathroom, I just give that a little clean too. So it keeps everything dust free. All right. Next, we're gonna add some berries, some blueberries. The red, white, and blue, American is apple pie and blueberries, right? So these will be really fun. These are just little picks of berries. You can use these at Christmas, you can use them at winter, and in the summer. So we're just gonna bend one kind of over on the side, stick it out here, and then to kind of bring that through, we'll stick the other one up here, and kind of just spread those out and intertwine them with that. Would I wash those in the sink too? You bet ya. All right, and I'm gonna bring these two elements just a little closer together. The next piece we're gonna add is this cute little Americana star. It says Liberty on it. It's got a back plaid that matches. They're stuffed and very, very cute, and they can be hung, but I'm just gonna hide the twine hanger right behind them. Now these are kind of rustic, but I love mixing rustic and modern. I think it's a lot of fun, and it's the 4th of July. You can get away with a little rustic. Even if your house is not that style, you can definitely add a few rustic things. I always think you can get away with rustic if your house is not decorated that way at the 4th of July and at Halloween. I think those things kind of look cute when they're all blended together. All right, to kind of complete this bowl, we're gonna add, actually I'm gonna add 2 strands of beads, but you could definitely fill this full of anything that you like. It could be white seashells. It could be anything else that you like to collect. Maybe you have other 4th of July things. And I'm gonna string one around, down and around, and the other one I'm just gonna kind of fill that up with. So you could use a lot of different items for that. And there we go. We have our completed tray for the 4th of July. I want to thank Shawna for this design. She was very gracious to come over from Downtown Coffee and Cream next door and design a tray for our 4th of July. If you've not been to Downtown Coffee and Cream next door to Botanica Bee, then you are really missing out on treats. They have the best coffees and really great ice cream. So make sure and pop in and get some coffee and ice cream and come over and shop downtown Ottawa. That about does it for this time. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you at the bee.